I'm looking forward to the opportunity to teach a little bit about how to incorporate technology in the classroom. This will be done by using a digital manipulative website, and I'm going to be focusing on a math standard for second graders. Now, this website is nmlnvm.usu.edu. It's known as the National Library of Virtual Manipulatives. In this website, I have chosen to focus on Standard 1 Objective 2 for kindergartners, which is on fractions and how to use unit fractions to identify parts of the whole and parts of a set. So I go under Number and Operations, and then I move down to Fractions and Naming. Once I'm here, we can see how they have a shape, and you're supposed to first identify. You can identify either one first, but you need to identify how many total parts there are. And the student will soon realize that the denominator is how many total parts of the fraction. And there are 5. So you'd put a 5 here. Non-students can realize the fraction part of this exercise. How much of those 5 parts are colored? And they can readily identify that there are 3. And then there's a checking device to say whether or not they're correct. I really like this digital manipulative just because it shows many different shapes. As you saw before, there was first a circle, and this one it's a rectangle with very thin rectangles. And I think that this is really beneficial for children because they can realize how fractions can be represented by many different ways and with many different objects. And at this age, they need to realize that fractions is not something that's out there and abstract, but it's something all around them. And once again, with this exercise, you can count how many parts, how many total parts. And children, I feel, can really benefit from this exercise. And with this exercise, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 total parts, so that's what would be in the denominator. And because there are 3 that aren't colored, there would be 7 total. Children can work through multiple exercises and get a better understanding of fractions. I hope that this helps us to understand a little bit more about how to incorporate this digital manipulative website into teaching.